Hey YouTube, this is diveflyfish. Just want to show you a small variant on the Super Penny oscillator. I've added a couple little additions so that I can swap out the size of the capacitor and also the LED and also the type of transistor. I'm running a TIP 3055 right now, and you can see this is a 5 mega ohm resistor as per lid motor. And you can see we can dial her down really small, and I'm still using the 0.001 microfarad capacitor, and you'll see we can dial this thing really super bright, or we can dial it really down next to nothing. Okay, and we're using again the carbon magnesium battery as the source, and I'm using a recycled heatsink from a PC that I destroyed a while ago. So if nothing else, there's a lot of surface area here, which is a really good ground. So if nothing else, just want to let you know that what I have here is a small remote control servo type of connector that allows me to swap out the type of transistors versus the 222. And I think I noted something with the way Radio Shack notes this. I think they have the diagram wrong. So if nothing else, I tried wiring it backwards and it didn't work. So I think there may be a problem with the Radio Shack wiring diagram, but I could be wrong. So in any event, just want to let you know that here we are with the Super Penny oscillator variant using the two 100 microhenry chokes, and again, no blinking per se, but we can get this thing to dial down very low, and we'll go from there. Any refinements will follow. Have a great night. Hey YouTube, this is diveflyfish again. Just want to show you something. Here I have the DMM hooked in series with the circuit with the TIPP 3055, and this is what we're drawing right now as far as milliamps. Normally it takes a lot more to strike this, so I can dial her down and dial her up. So that's pretty damn bright, around 2 milliamps. So about 2 milliamps, and that's what we're getting out of it. I'm definitely satisfied with that. I mean, I think that's pretty cool. If we can get her down lower, that'd be awesome. Oh, maybe there. Okay. Still pretty darn bright. We're dialing her down. 1.4 milliamps. 1.2 milliamps. 1.1 milliamps. And again, I'm just using that aluminum as the sink. 1.17 milliamps. There's 0.98 milliamps. It's still pretty darn bright. It's 0.73 milliamps. 0.62 milliamps, and again this is a TIP3055 tranny. Again, that's pretty bright for a half a milliamp. Still dialing her down. So that's 0.43 milliamps. Still pretty bright. .39, 0.38. I like the circuit. I think it's pretty darn efficient. 0.25. Oh, just knocked off the negative lead, pardon me. So they're dialing her down. It's about as far as I can take it. So, nothing else. We can scroll her back up here. That is a bright thing for 1 milliamp. So for what it's worth, IB pointless, lid motor, JB. Everybody who's given support, I really appreciate it. Just want to let you know that this, again, there's a small variant showing that I can swap out the capacitor size, I can swap out the tranny, and I can swap out the LED. But these are two 100 microhenry chokes, a 63 volt 100 microfarad capacitor, 0.001 capacitor, and a 1 mega ohm variable resistor. So, for what it's worth, thank you guys, have a great night, and all suggestions, comments are welcome, to be sure.